airplane is called Ka-Chow. And
It's inspired by Lightning McQueen, man.
our product is an airplane. It's inspired by Lightning McQueen, and the product colors are red and yellow. But this is just a prototype, so it's not red or yellow.
It worked really well. The second one, this was like our main prototype. It's got like the Orion writing on it and everything. It says beyond the sky into the stars. It's got a picture of the Orion constellation.
I present to you our paper airplane project from my friend who is not here. All the P's. This product is a paper airplane. Crazy, I know. This product is priced reasonably at $5.99. Oh wait. Oh, you can get two for $9.79.
Each airplane will sell for about $5. We will sell this product at high contact cities. We will sell them at Walmart, Dick's Sporting Goods, Nike's, Adidas, Apple, Target, and Harris Teeter.
We are the Orion Airlines.
Okay, so here's kind of like our marketing strategy. We're gonna sell them at Cedar Ridge. The price is just 5 cents for one of these airplanes, and then you have to pay a low fee, just like so we can afford to make these. $9.95 for shipping and handling.
The Glizzy aircraft will be sold exclusively in the city of Dubai. The fine piece of the bar will be made by hand in Paris, France. Once produced in Paris, they will be transported by private jet to Dubai to be sold to the consumer.
All over the universe through our exclusive, soon to exist, paper spaceships, which can ship these incredible airplanes anywhere when thrown from a very tall building.
Our target audience is 5 to 25 years old, any gender and any ethnicity, because everybody likes the paper airplane.
Alright, so our target market, really anyone 6 and up, but also anyone who loves flying airplanes. So anyone above that age, but below maybe
Target market is kids. Kids will enjoy the plane because it's fun to throw and it gives them entertainment. Kids will have a great time throwing our plane and watching it fly through the air. We will also aim to sell our plane to young adults and people who like paper airplanes.
Our comic book and advertisements will appear in any comic book anywhere, featuring the electric engine. Celebrity endorsements. Our celebrity endorsers are the famous Yakko, Wacko, Dot, and obviously Bill Clinton. Because who doesn't love a good paper airplane?
It has a lightning bolt, it looks cooler, and it has a good design, and it also has a good name.
Ka-Chow.
Ka-Chow.
Bs and B12 are better than the competitors because we have 2 different designs. Our first plane is competitive and fast. Our second is designed to hover and turn similar to an actual bee's fly pattern. This is what makes us the best company. We have double the options of our competitors who are guaranteed to get stung by our design. And this is our first advertisement for the B12.
It's better because unlike other planes, this one doesn't use wings, it uses physics to fly. The tube structure allows wind and air to flow under and through the plane, allowing it to fly for longer time.
Better. Our plane's better because our amazing engineers have made a sleek, fast, and easy plane to fly. We also made a stand for the plane to sit on when you're not using it. And our plane uses aerodynamics to make it fly faster and smoother than ever. I brought a couple planes up from our process. The first one, this was the anti-Miss Gibbs aircraft. It has camouflage so she can't see it when you're flying it. All right, and then advertisement for the kids is faster than ever. The Orion's futuristic design uses super speed. This plane can fly up to 200 feet. That's way farther than any of our opponents. And then in this picture, we have a customer who is loving our amazing plane. The plane will never break, no matter how many times you fly it into a wall, or crash it, or step on it, or it gets torn apart. It will never break.